to prime the eyelid, so I'm going to take the Smashbox 24-Hour Eyeshadow Base. I'm going to take this green shade here, and this is from the Morphe Dare to Create the 39A palette, and I'm just going to start by putting this into her crease. We are going to do a cut crease today, so it's just going to be a nice way to add warmth. It's okay if it gets on the lid though, because we will be cutting the crease. Go in with the shade Teen Captain from ColourPop, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M443, and I'm just going to work that in the lower portion of her crease. Now we're going to go with the Sephora Collection eyeshadow in the number 347 Wild Island, and I am going to take this using a Morphe M506 brush. This is just a really small defined crease brush, and we're just going to put this lower and sunker into the crease. Now I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm just going to cut the crease, and I'm going to go with the wing shape.
Are you scared? I am you.
Now I'm going to take Glass Bull from ColourPop on a Sigma E60 brush, and I'm just going to pack this all over the area we just cut. Now I'm taking the Stila Liquid Glitter in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm just going to add this to the lid. I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to intensify the cut and just go around the outer portion. So now I'm going to go in with Schwing eyeliner from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm just going to wing out her eyes just to match the wing on the upper portion. Take Swerve eyeliner pencil from ColourPop. I'm going to have her line her tight line, and then I'm just going to have her take her Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, put some mascara on her top lashes, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to take Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm going to put this on her skin. This is just going to help smooth out any pores and make the foundation apply super silky.
There's an evil inside, just looking way down below. And if I can't hold my breath, then I'm bound to become hollow. Can you say that I've disappeared? Can you say that I wasn't there for you?
Foundation today, I'm going to go in the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation and apply this all over her face using a Real Techniques button.
Put out that torch. Hey!
With that same Shape Tape that we used to cut her crease, and then I'm going to highlight her face and conceal any blemishes.
You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the...
And I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lock It Setting Powder, and I'm just going to bake under her eyes and on her smile lines.
I see the darkness coming.
I'm now going to take an Avon pressed powder in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just going to dust off the bakage and add a little bit more coverage. Take Benefit's Hula Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze the skin. Now I'm going to take Pretty Vulgar's blush in the shade Hush Blush, and I'm just going to apply this to her cheeks. This is a really neutral tone, and I wanted to go with something neutral just because we do have very bold eyes. For highlight, I'm going to go with Becca's Opal highlighter, and then I'm also going to top it off with the lightest shade from the Everglow highlighter from Nikki Tutorials and Ofra. Now I'm taking Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm just going to set the face. Now I'm going to have her line her waterline with Teaspoon eyeliner from ColourPop. She just has really sensitive eyes that water a lot, so by having her do it, it makes it a little less hard. Back in with this Sephora Collection eyeshadow, I'm just going to press this up against the liner and just really put this as close to the lashes as possible. Take Team Captain from ColourPop again, and I'm just going to smoke out that lower lash line. Go back in with the green that I used from the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to blend out the very edges of this. Kind of like how we did the crease, we're going to do the darkest into the lightest.
Throwing caution to the wind. I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my
So now off camera, I'm going to have her go in with her mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm going to have her put this on her lower eyelashes. And then I'm also going to put on the Christina Wispies lashes, and then we will be right back to show you the lips. I'm going to go back in with the highlighter. I'm going to take that light shade here, and I'm going to use that to highlight the inner corner. So now I'm going to take the KKW Beauty and Kylie Cosmetics collab in the shade Kiki, and I'm going to apply this to her lips. Completed makeup look, so now we're gonna do her hair. We'll come back with her hair done and her outfit on, and we'll be right back. Did you just fall?
He tried to get up on the windowsill and he fell down. He didn't make it
You
up.
can never really make it up.